Introducing the OnRobot 104615 EO Tester, a cutting-edge tool designed to streamline your testing and maintenance processes. This innovative EO tester from OnRobot empowers you to efficiently check the status of your robot's digital and analog inputs and outputs, ensuring reliable performance and preventing costly downtime. With its user-friendly interface, the EO tester simplifies the testing process, allowing even non-technical personnel to conduct thorough checks quickly and easily. This versatile EO tester is compatible with various robot brands and models, providing a universal solution for your testing needs. The compact and lightweight design of the OnRobot 104615 EO tester makes it highly portable, allowing you to perform testing in different locations with ease. Built to withstand the rigors of industrial environments, the EO tester is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring longevity and reliability. Invest in the OnRobot 104615 EO tester and experience enhanced efficiency and reliability in your testing and maintenance processes. With its comprehensive testing capabilities, user-friendly interface, and universal compatibility, this EO tester is a must-have tool for any industry professional looking to optimize their robot performance.